There are many service providers out there, but we're sure you want a good one with professional touch. We have it.
Welcome to Dog's Paradise Resort Force-Free Boarding Kennel. Unlimited treats. Modern pet hotel. Oversized business class kennels. Just nice looking dogs. Dogs and human reactive dogs welcome. Huge kennels. Safe playground. Dog run for family. Smile from guests. Clean grass. Small groups in daycare. Fun in any weather. Bed from home also allowed. Free access to dog run. Playground for the tiny dogs protected with top mesh against the predatory birds. Individual playtime available. Bright and spotless. Even 3 dogs feel comfortable. Variable bed sizes. Individual feeding schedule. Individual dog runs. Fresh air and 4 large playground. Treadmill exercises. Comfortable bed. Individual cat's kennel. Love and care from professional staff.
Cool, right? Call us or click the link below. We look forward to working with you.